Hello everyone. Again we will discuss one numerical based on the dual network. Okay. So the question they have given, draw the dual of the network shown below. Fine. And this type of network is given. In the previous classes, we have seen that we have taken the all the elements there R1, L and C. Now instead of that we will take the values here. Okay. So the steps are same in the duality. Okay, so the first step to draw a dual network is that find out how many mesh are there. Okay, so if I just observe that, you can see that there are these three mesh here. This is the first mesh, this is the second and third. Now mark the node in that mesh. Okay, so I will be saying that this will be the mesh number 1. So this will be node number 1. Fine. This will be node number 2 because this is my mesh number 2, and this will be the node number 3 because this is my mesh number 3. Okay, so in this question we have three mesh here, 1, 2 and 3, and we have studied that in duality the number of mesh is same as the number of node pair. So to make a node pair we have to take one reference here, and that is called as the reference node. I will give the reference node as 0. Okay, and this is the reference node. Fine. Now my aim is here to draw the dual of this given network. Okay, so for that I will first consider all these nodes. Okay, in the similar process what we have studied in previous classes. So this is my first node, this will be the second one, this will be the third one. Okay, and similarly we have here one reference node. Okay, so this will be the 0 and this will represent the reference node. Now I have to connect all these elements to this diagram, and that diagram will called as a dual network of this given diagram. Okay, so we see one by one. In the first mesh you can see that this is the 3-volt voltage source is present. Okay, so you connect that, okay, like this. Okay, and it should be connected between node 1 and reference 0, and this is a 3 volt, so this is a voltage source. Dual of the voltage source is actually the current source. Okay, so we will draw that diagram. So like this is connected between 1 and 0. Okay, arrow should be upward because plus minus, and value will become 3 volts, so now it become 3 ampere. Okay, so value will be same, only the units have changed. Okay, now secondly you can see that there is this resistance which is also connected between 1 and 0 because this represent self impedance. Okay, and its mutual will be self admittance. Okay, so it is connected between 1 and 0. This is 1 and 0, so again I will be connected like this. This is between 1 and 0. Fine, whose value is 2 ohms. Now this will become 2 mho. Why? Because the dual of the resistance is conductance. Okay, and the mho is the unit of conductance. Now similarly there is one mutual element. So mutual impedance, you can see that, which is connected between 1 and impedance, which is that L is connected between 1 and 2 mesh. Okay, so it will be connected between first and second node, and dual of this inductor become capacitor. Okay, so dual of the inductor is capacitor, so I will make like this between 1 and 2. Okay, value is L Henry, so this will become L Farad. Okay, value will same, unit will change. Now similarly you can see the second mesh. In second mesh there is no self admittance, self impedance, but there is a one mutual element, or you can see that this 5 ampere source which is connected between second and third. So it will be connected like this. Okay, so second and third, and as it is a current source, now it will become the which source? Voltage source. Okay, like this. Arrow is upward, so or clockwise, so it is plus minus, so current flowing from positive to negative. Its value is 5 ampere, so it will become 5 volts, so which is connected between 2 and 3. So it has only, you can see that one element here, that is 2 and 3 node has only the current source. Now similarly we will see in the third mesh we have two elements. The first one is this resistance. So resistance is connected between 3 and reference node like this, 3 and reference node. So like this, 3 and reference node. Value of that is 2.5. So value will be same but unit will be more. Why? Because the dual of resistance is basically the conductance. Now similarly in between, so that capacitor is connected between 3 and 0. Between 3 and 0. So when you have to convert between 3 and 0, so that capacitor will become inductor because the dual of capacitor is inductor. Okay, and value will be C Henry. Right. So value will be C and unit of inductor is Henry. So you can see that in that way we have converted the given network into the basically the its dual.